In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text background in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want your text to stand out more clearly on your website, especially when it sits on top of an image or a colored section, adding a background color behind the text is a simple and effective way to improve readability. In Hosting a Website Builder, this can be done in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Next, click on Website to access your site settings and management area. From there, choose Edit Website. This will open the Hosting a Website Builder editor, where you can visually make changes to your page layout and content. Once the editor loads, locate the specific text you want to customize. Take a moment here to identify the exact heading, paragraph, or text block that needs a background. This is especially useful if your page has several text elements and you only want to style one of them. Now click directly on that text and then select Edit Text. This opens the text editing options for that element. In this panel, you'll be able to adjust different settings related to the appearance of your text. After that, click the three dots to open more formatting options. Among these extra options, you'll find the setting to enable background color. Turn that on and then choose the color you want to use as the background behind your text. As you choose a color, make sure the text remains easy to read. That's the most important part. For example, if your text is dark, a lighter background usually works best. If your text is light, a darker background can create better contrast. The goal is not just to make the text look nicer, but to make it clearer for visitors reading your website. Once you've selected a suitable background color, review how it looks on the page. Make sure it fits the overall design of your site and doesn't feel distracting. A clean, readable style is usually the best choice. And that's how to add a text background in Hosting a Website Builder.